You have to have this with rice. This is really, really good. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking ginger soy chicken. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we are going to do a marinade on our chicken. I have with me over here 2 pieces of boneless chicken leg weighing a total of 580 grams, cut into small pieces like this. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine or Hoa Teochew. This is optional for our Muslim friend, you don't have to put this in. 1.5 tablespoons of ginger juice derived from grating young ginger and squeezing out the juice, of course, from the grated ginger. 1 teaspoon of sugar, a few dashes of white pepper. Mix it up well first. After you have mixed it up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix up well again. This will help to make the chicken more tender. And finally, add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix up well and we'll let this marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Heat up some oil in your pan or wok using medium heat. We are now going to shallow fry our young ginger, which we have julienne. This is 60 grams of it. Spread it into the oil. We're going to fry this to a light golden brown. We'll be reserving some of this oil to fry our chicken later. This is full of very nice ginger aroma inside. Of course, the rest of the oil you can use it to fry your vegetables, your other dishes. Right, stir them around just to make sure that they are browned evenly. This will take a little while. What we want to achieve is actually a slightly darker golden brown. But why do we need to remove this when it's light golden brown? It's because the residual heat will actually brown this further. As you can see, there's lesser bubbles as well as the moisture in the ginger is almost done. We can now remove this. Please use a paper towel to absorb the extra oil. Right, remove it and just put it onto your paper towel like this. Do not turn off the heat yet, just remove them. Once you're done with this, remove most of the oil, leaving behind about 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's put the dish together. Add in the white part of 2 stalks of spring onion first. I've split it into half so that I can extract out the flavor better this way. Just put it in. Move them around a little bit just to get the aroma out. Now I have a very, very aromatic ginger spring onion oil inside here. Once you can smell it, we'll add in our chicken. Pour everything in. Mix them up well. Okay. Now we'll put the lid on. Turn the heat down to medium low or low and we'll let this slowly cook for 8 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 8 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells so good. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium. We'll fry this for another 2 minutes or so just to make sure that it's fully cooked. Look at how beautiful this is. The gravy on steamed rice, this will be fantastic. Now we'll add in the rest of our spring onions. Put everything in. Turn off the flame. Give it a light stir. We'll put this on our serving plate and then we'll spread the shallow fried ginger all over it. And it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I love the combination smell of this beautiful ginger, the chicken, the soy sauce. This is really good. Let me try the chicken first. Flavorful with a very slight hint of ginger. This is good. Sauce with the rice. Oh my god. You have to have this with rice. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Very nice.